Hi, this is Lucy Piper, and today we're going to cook one-pot meal. So that will be very much simple to do. It's very safe for autoimmune disease people and rheumatoid arthritis, of course. So just follow the simple steps with me, and recipe will be on my website. Okay, first we start with reheat our pan. And what I'm going to do, I'm put a little avocado oil, and this is a high temperature oil. And now we're going to prepare meat. So we have any kind of meat, and just a whole piece. What we're going to do, we a little salt it. I don't want to use the pepper now, but you can use the pepper. But if we do this autoimmune safe, we don't want to use any nightshade here. So we salted it. And when our pan is ready, hot enough, and now we can just put our meat here. What we want to do, we want to brown in each side. But by the way, you can omit this step if you don't want to brown it. You can just put everything in slow cooker. And while the meat is cooking, we start to build our slow cooker. So in the bottom of slow cooker, we want to put some kale. We take a parsnip, and here it's about 2 cups or 3 cups. We want to take sweet potatoes. We take onions, cut onions. Let's check our meat. So we brown the one side, and let's do this on another side. Okay, the meat is ready. Take some wine, and it can be just cup wine. Some bone broth, about 1 cup also. We want to scrape a little our pan. Okay, the meat is ready, and we'll put right on the top of vegetables. So I pre-cooked here parsley, some basil, thyme, and garlic. Cut garlic a little more. So I see it's a boil already. We take everything, put here. Take our parsley on the top, garlic, actually everything what's right here. And, some thyme. We take our slow cooker. Okay, close the lid, and it's ready. So what we're going to do, we want to cook this in 8 hours, actually on low. What I learned about slow cooker just actually recently, that when you cook on low, your meat and vegetables will be more tender than when you cook this on high. On high will be cooked faster, but will be more delicious and tender and juicy when you cook on low. And don't open your slow cooker for 8 hours. This is Lucy Piper, your RA coach. Download books below, and scroll down and leave a comment and tell me what you think.